Hey smart dropshippers, welcome again. Do you know coming soon page is a very required and essential page which tells Google and other search engines about not to index your website. So before building up your complete website or any type of web shop, online shop, you have to put a coming soon page on your website that will tell you not to index the site until it is fully complete. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a coming soon page using Elementor plugin, and you don't have to use any paid or premium plugins to create the coming soon page. So let's jump in.
In this following lesson, we are going to create a coming soon page for our website. Coming soon page is very important because we don't want Google and other search engines to index our website before we actually create them. This is now not ready to be indexed, so we need a coming soon page to tell the search engines that this website is not ready for indexing. Later, after successfully completing our website, we can disable this coming soon page. For this, we have to first go to settings, reading settings, and tick this checkbox on discourage search engines from indexing this site. Then we have to save the changes. It will tell search engines that our website is not ready for indexing. After this, we will go to Elementor Tools and Maintenance Mode. From there, we can create a coming soon page without the help of any other plugin. Now we have to click this maintenance mode, and then we have to choose the mode and template. Also, there is a option that we can enable it for logged in users or especially any other users. You have to choose coming soon mode and leave this logged in default. Now we have to create a template or page for this coming soon mode. Click create one. Enter a name for this page. We will build this page using Elementor Builder. In the previous lesson, you have learned how to install the Elementor Builder using Astra theme. Now we will click Edit with Elementor. From here, we can do two things. Either create the page manually, or we can use the existing Elementor templates. This left sidebar has all the elements for the Elementor page builder. We can drag and drop on the right side to create our page. If you go for pro version, you can see more elements. Click on add to templates, the little folder icon, and leave it to the pages tab. Now we will search for some coming soon page templates. You can see various page templates are there. Some are pro, some are free. If you buy the Elementor Pro plugin, you can use any page template from here. But if you are using the free version, you have some limited free templates. These are the coming soon templates. We will use one of the free templates from here. Okay, we have found our template, the coming soon page. It looks clean and nice. We will insert this. Now you can see the same page has been created inside the Elementor page builder. Now we can edit the existing things from here as we like. Just click on any element and edit it as necessary. You will learn about editing page in later lessons. I am quickly changing this information. Now, after publishing and quickly editing this information, we are going to take a look. Okay, this looks nice, but we don't need the header menu and footer widget because this will contain links of the site and search engines may index them. So we have to exit to the dashboard and select the Elementor canvas template from the right hand side. It will remove the header and footer area completely. Then we have to click upgrade. Now we can see this will be gone. Click refresh and both header and footer is disappeared. Now we have to come back to the maintenance mode again and have to reload this page. Then we have to choose the newly created coming soon template from here and have to click on save changes. Now we will see if the maintenance page is coming or not. No, it is not coming because we are logged in as administrator and any logged in users will not see the coming soon page. Only search engine and guest anonymous users will see this coming soon page. Now we are going into a private tab or incognito window and let's check if it is displaying or not. Oops, it is not displaying because I didn't enable the maintenance mode from the backend. We have to check again. Yes, this mode is disabled. You have to enable the coming soon mode to show this coming soon page. Let's check again. Hit refresh and voila, it's coming. So we have learned how to create a coming soon page using Elementor Page Builder without help of any other plugins. You can easily create any design for your coming soon page or use the pre-built templates from Elementor Page Builder. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.
Now we have created the coming soon page properly, and in the next video I will show you how to customize the entire shop using WordPress built-in customizer, and you can do it yourself without any developer's help. So if you have liked this video, I will urge you to press a thumbs up and share this video if you want, and always I would recommend you to subscribe my channel for the next lesson and more upcoming videos. So thank you for watching. Wait for the next video.